Watching your hair thin out in the mirror or noticing more strands than usual in the shower drain can be an incredibly discouraging and stressful experience that deeply impacts your self-confidence. While topical creams and prescription medications often come with a long list of hormonal side effects, the iRestore Professional Laser Hair Growth System offers a revolutionary, completely drug-free path to thicker hair. This premium medical-grade therapy helmet sits comfortably on your head, delivering a clinical-strength light treatment that is fully FDA-cleared to reverse hereditary hair loss, pattern baldness, and alopecia for both men and women from the absolute comfort of your couch. The core engineering breakthrough that sets the iRestore Professional apart from basic laser caps is its advanced, dual-source Lumitech architecture. Packed with an industry-leading 282 medical-grade diodes, the system combines 82 high-efficiency lasers with 200 targeted LED lights to generate a massive 1,410 milliwatts of total light output. Instead of only treating the very top of your head, this comprehensive dome layout provides maximized scalp coverage that reaches all the way down to your front hairline, deep into your temples, across the sides, and over the lower crown. The uniform red light energy safely penetrates deep into the scalp tissue to accelerate cellular metabolism, increase local blood flow, and reawaken dormant hair follicles, forcing thin, shrinking hairs back into a thick, active growth cycle. Integrating this advanced treatment into a busy lifestyle is entirely effortless and requires just 25 minutes of your time every other day. The helmet is thoughtfully structured with specialized lightweight padding that gently contours to your head shape, creating an incredibly comfortable fit while incorporating built-in air ventilation slots to keep your scalp feeling cool and sweat-free during your session. Operating the system is a breeze thanks to the attached digital handheld controller that tracks your 25-minute countdown automatically and can be paired with an optional, clip-on wireless battery pack to let you walk around, fold laundry, or make dinner while you treat your hair. Consistency is the ultimate key to success, and because hair grows slowly, you can expect to see real, clinically proven transformations within 3 to 6 months of regular use. In rigorous clinical trials supervised by board-certified dermatologists, an astonishing 95% of active users experienced visible hair regrowth, averaging an impressive 43% increase in total hair count and strand thickness. It functions beautifully as a standalone primary treatment, but it can also be used safely alongside minoxidil, finasteride, or hair growth supplements to turbocharge your overall results without any negative interactions. If you are ready to stop watching your hairline recede, bypass the recurring costs of clinic visits, and invest in a durable, doctor-recommended powerhouse that restores your natural thickness and youthful confidence completely at home, this 282 diode laser helmet is the ultimate lifestyle upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you are tackling general thinning or a receding hairline, and I will see you in the next video.